Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are riding good. So in this video I'll be showing you how to clean your chain sprocket thoroughly. And for those who are having Hornet, you should definitely watch this video and subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Things you need: a 10 size spanner, used toothbrush 2 and some rubber bands, any use and throw cup, some diesel, and a waste cloth. As you guys see, my chain is very loose, so I need to tighten it up after I clean my chain. And this is how my chain sprocket is right now. First, take a 10 size spanner and you need to remove this top or plastic layer which covers the chain sprocket. This is an optional thing, but if you remove this cover, it will be easy to clean the chain. So I am removing it so that you guys can see the clear picture how the chain is. So I am removing it. Now take some diesel in the small cup. Be careful. And then take this toothbrush or single toothbrush out and dip it in the diesel. And then rub the brush all over your chain and sprocket. And while cleaning your chain sprocket, it's going to be a tedious process. It's not going to be an easy one. So make the chain wet thoroughly with the diesel. Make sure to apply the diesel at the back side also. And this top part of the chain also you need to apply diesel. And you can make an arrangement like this using the rubber bands and toothbrush, and then rotate your wheel. And I advise you to rotate the wheel manually so that you don't get stuck anywhere. Don't put the bike in first gear and do this, because you'll get a severe injury if you get stuck in between the chains. And now I'm removing the excess dirt with this waste cloth. See how much dirt it has. And in this process you'll be removing the excess diesel also. Doing some final touches. See, it's clean now, but still I get some noise when rotating the wheel. So what I do is I just remove that sand particles which get settled beneath the chain using this spray container. You can also pour water on it with some force. and make sure you remove the water thoroughly. And that's it. See how glossy it is. You regularly need to clean your chain if you have Honda Hornet. Now I am putting back the chain top cover. Finally, apply some chain lube spray on your chain because I have removed all the lube from the chain. I advise you guys to use a motor chain spray. Although I am using it, this is a spare one.
அதெல்லாம் சும்மா இந்த மாதிரி கஷ்டப்படுவாங்க, லைட்டாக லூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு வீடியோவில் பார்க்கும்போது ஏதோ ஃப்ரீயாக பண்ணுற மாதிரி பண்ணுவானுங்க. இதை பாரு, இது ஒரு கேஸ் அதே மாதிரி தான்.